What it do, yo? It's your boy, Joenojoseph, and we back at it again, man. Today we checking out the Drip God, the original dripster. The original dripster, you know what I'm saying? Sauce Walka on that Waterfall drip. We just gonna dive right into this one, man. We ain't gotta do no talking. If you don't know who Sauce Walka is by now, you're a little late to the show, but it don't matter because new fans is always good fans. So let's check it out. Let's see what homie doing with this video, you know what I'm saying? I already know you about to be on ooey. I might. Let go, man. Oh yeah, don't forget original video, all that down below, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that. Show homie some love. Let's go. Where did he do that for the first time? And it was like, yo, that's it. That's it. Keep doing that. Ooey.
Viewer discretion is advised.
You're gonna be mad.
Don't drink out my drink, fool.
Yeah.
This 8 in my cup is too muddy. Red on my clothes, I'm bloody. I rate the bitch for blue honeys. I cannot drip with you dummies. I keep 2 clips for dummies. She all on my drip, she love me. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. I'm flooded. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. Waterfall drip, this 8 in my cup is too muddy. Red on my clothes, I'm bloody. I rate the bitch for blue honeys. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. I'm flooded. I'm having choppers, Afghanistan. I'm rapping bodies like Pakistan. I got ARs in the caravan. I send a bitch with a helping hand. I send a bitch to fuck up your plans. My bitch is white down Maryland. They catch that place up in Maryland. They bringing me all their presidents. They bringing me all Americans. They gon' go hard for popping. I'm planting seeds, no poppies. I'm making bees, what's popping? And on the streets, I'm popping. Now they take this on the internet. Fuck the referees, we getting text. Nigga rap about me 30s to the neck. I just been back with my blood niggas. Same when they came out the mud with us. Hurricane Harvey flood hit us. I sent the bitch in the flood, nigga. Sailed on the boat for a dub, nigga. Came back, I gave her no hug, nigga. Cause the bitch was taking too long and forgot to bring the backwoods home. This 8 in my cup is too muddy. Red on my clothes, I'm bloody. I rate the bitch for blue honeys. I cannot drip with you dummies. I keep 2 clips for dummies. She all on my drip, she love me. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. I'm flooded. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. Waterfall drip, this 8 in my cup is too muddy.
Yo, ain't nobody, can't nobody do Sauce Walka, okay? Can't nobody do it. Okay.
Red on my clothes, I'm bloody. I rate the bitch for blue honey. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. I'm flooded.
What is that? What is he doing right now?
Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. You not my bitch, you funny. You do not get new money. You was a trick, you ugly. That's the only way you get a hoe. You tryna stand by the mistletoe. I fire up on the bitch like a missile go. Hit the drink house when it's hitting for. My sex is no limit like Mr. Cole. You looking for me, bitch? Here I go. Here I go. Here I go. I went to Vegas for bankrolls. I got some bodies that's cage closed. My mama sees to bring me pesos. Money, yeah, we take those. Yeah, we want all of the guala. These are Red Simmons and Pradas. I break on strippers and models. I just fix all of their problems. I'm drinking walk out the bottle. You know they ain't walking your bottle. Whenever I walk, they gon' follow. I make the wave that they ride on. Oh, in my cup is too muddy. Red on my clothes, I'm bloody. I rate the bitch for blue honeys. I cannot drip with you dummies. I keep 2 clips for dummies. She all on my drip, she love me. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. I'm flooded. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. Waterfall drip, this 8 in my cup is too muddy. Red on my clothes, I'm bloody. I rate the bitch for blue honey. Waterfall drip, I'm flooded. I'm flooded.
Got the gang on him. Okay. I can respect the vibes, man. Can y'all respect the vibes? I don't know. Homie he be showing out, especially online and all that, you know what I'm saying? He be talking about everybody copying him or he started this, they started that, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below, bro. Who is the original dripster? Is it Sauce Walka? Does he deserve all the clout when it comes to that kind of stuff? Especially even the jewelry. Like, he be saying everybody be copying him, you know what I'm saying? A lot of that stuff be kind of factual, you know what I'm saying? But some of it's like, all right, come on, bro. You reaching. relax. But it's all good, man. We keep showing love out here, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Don't forget to check out the original video, bro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that. Keep showing love. Thanks, y'all, for showing up.